Welcome to Tattoo Shop Talk, and today we'll do a bit more techie talk. Today we will talk about this wonderful device, which is iPad Pro. It's super useful tool, and this gentleman will tell us why he loves it and why it's good for you if you are tattoo artist, enthusiast, or something along them lines. Shoot, sir.
Pew! So, basically, in one word, it's really comfortable to use. You don't need millions of things to bring with you if you travel or just working at your shop, at your desk, and blah blah blah. And it's all in one place. So most of my work I do now sitting in a sofa like this and just watching some cartoons or movie or something, you know, and that's how I do my homework. That's the best part.
So what exactly are you doing? So how it works? What comes to your customer comes in, he wants a tattoo, he books a session, he sends some references, and then
I use Procreate. I just have to charge this for a second because it was not working. So yeah, you can take picture of the guy's arm if you need a cover up and just show how it will work.
Cool. And also you can trace like references, adjust them. It's all like internet age, so you can pull it off directly off the Facebook, email, or whatever, and work on your device.
And plus, if you're a hippie, you save paper and forests and shit like that.
Don't think it's very healthy for the planet how Apple is made.
It's a fruit.
Fruit. Okay. So you are a vegetarian. A bit more specifically about the device, which particular model is this size-wise?
12 inch something?
Yeah, 12.9, and all the tattooists I talked with said that if there would be a bigger one, they would take a bigger one, and you shouldn't take smaller one, because like if you do a lot of drawing,
although the screen on the small versions, on the new ones are better, but this is just fine. I don't feel that it's worse somehow.
So size matters.
Yes.
Look, I got one here as well. I saved up finally. Let's look up into device. What useful stuff do you need on it?
Like I said, Procreate. That's my everyday tool. Like yeah, I use this every day. It's like just like a tattoo machine for me. Like if I would lose it today, I would try to find a shop and buy it
immediately.
Yeah.
You mentioned Procreate is one of the things, which is drawing, tracing kind of things. You can work in layers if you're familiar with that kind of stuff. And then also a very popular one is the one
Amaziograph,
and that's the one where you can
do mandalas.
Do magic.
Super easy.
And you're an artist.
Yes.
The Procreate is... It was Procreate?
Procreate. Yes.
Procreate is not a free app. It costs something, but it's definitely the best what I've heard from all the tattooists I talked to. If anyone out there have better apps to recommend, please do it. We definitely check them out. There's some apps that are tricky, like Photoshop and all that. It's not that Photoshop what you know from the computers. This is very basic and very different version, and it's basically garbage. But those two apps will get you far. The device itself, it's a pricey thing. It's I think one of the priciest things I have ever purchased in my life. And this pen is separate thing, right? It's another €100 or so for that, but these two things you definitely need. And obviously when you spend that much money on a device, it's useful to get some covers. And a little tip here, don't buy the original, the Apple one.
Really expensive.
Yeah, check the good old Amazon. Like one of our colleagues bought the original case, it just protects one side and doesn't protect the other one. He still don't have anywhere where to put pen. If you could show this one.
This is like 36 euros or something like that.
I think it's 26 now. And I ordered another one.
It's 30, so
So when I will get it, I will show how that one looks. You'll save a lot of money and it's way more functional, way more practical. Is there anything else about the device we have to mention? Yeah, I would recommend, like, if you are friends with Google, to get all the Google stuff, all the Google Photos and all that stuff. It's good for backing up your pictures, and it's also good, for example, you use your other device like smartphone or something, and you get a reference there, or you see a picture there, or you even take a picture of something there. You back it up to the Google Photos, and then you can download it from Google Photos and use it as a reference or something. For example, today I was in a park with my phone and I saw a flower. I took a picture of the flower on my phone. Then it was backed up to this thing, to the Google Photos. It was this one. Then you download it, and then you go in Procreate and do your magic, which I will show on a screen somehow. Voila. Magic. Plus it records stuff, and you can do all these fun video animations on how you do stuff, and then you can upload them to your like social media and be all cool about it, like blah, blah, blah.
So if you're thinking of purchasing it and you think it's expensive, I did that. I was like, oh, it's €1,000, like, and plus everything else, like, oh man, I can use paper and it will be good. But no, this is worth the money, definitely.
Yeah, you have all your work stuff, like our guest artist said he saved like 8 kilos because he does those big like tours of guest spots, so he left all the papers, all the paints, all the brushes, most of his flashes are in there, or like you have all those books that you have.
All my like reference books are there. I don't have to bring them no more. So I got them in the folders here, and boom boom boom.
So that's already like 5 books. That's a couple of kilos saved, and it's very, what's the word, convenient to use. Like, it's just all there, all for you, all there, and you can use it at any time. I looked up before I bought it. I looked up different devices, and there's like there's not many out there. There's this Microsoft Surface Pro, but it turned out that it's in the same price range. It's maybe a bit more powerful, but it's way more serious. And you can get more powerful apps, but it's you have to know more to use it, and it's a bit more serious tool. This is more like fun and tool that it's just there. Plus, many of the tattooists I know, they're not that techy.
Right.
I know many that still use paint when they need to resize stuff. So this is just fine. This is there. So yeah, this is good stuff.
And plus, it has like wireless printing, which is super
awesome
sweet as well.
Yeah, but
You
that's all.
just
That's
draw it
already.
up, print it, and it's done. Stencil it, and boom.
And you can watch your
It's
Netflix.
tricky with the sizes though, but you get the hang of it. But yeah, you can watch Netflix. The size is good. It's meant for fun as well. I'm not a fun person, so I don't have a lot to show you. But
So yeah, people, this is good stuff for work and for fun, but maybe for fun it's a bit too expensive to have just fun. So yeah, it's definitely a good tool. Them couple apps we told you, they the best ones we know, and they the best to use. But if you have some apps that are good for work, let us know in the comment section, and I will link this nice thing below, either on the kit page or Amazon link where you can buy it. That will be affiliate link, so use that one if you want to buy it and support this stuff. And any good accessories apart from pen case and iPad itself, let us know in the comment section. And like always, like, subscribe and comment and all that stuff. See you next episode. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.
bye bye.